This is the Donner keyboard piano. So this is a 61 key piano with full size piano keys, as well as comes with a stool and a microphone. This only took a few steps to set up and has so many features on the keyboard itself. So it comes with 500 different tones, 300 rhythms, and 40 demo songs. So you will hear me play some of them in the background noise here. You can see the keys. Great size and great sound. It also has 3 teaching modes, so you can learn from the piano itself as well as through their associated learning app, which is also excellent. Microphone sound is great. There is a headset mode as well if you don't want it to play out loud, as well as 2 speakers on it, giving it a really excellent noise. Additionally, there is a USB MIDI interface, a audio interface. We already talked about the headphone, MP3 ports as well if you want to load up something that you're recording off here and upload it, say, to your computer. That comes in really handy. There is also a pedal interface. And then the main power cord does come with it that you will just plug in to have it powered up. So you can see back little blue light on there once it's plugged in and you're playing with it. And there is volume adjustment knobs on there as well. So that's the furthest left large knob there. Right below it is the orange power cord. Very straightforward for inputting which song number you want. Just type in those numbers and you can adjust the tempo, the volume, and yeah, get playing. Check it out.